Hello friends, welcome to my channel Mindful Convo. Please don't forget to subscribe the channel. So in today's videos, we will be going to discuss about the file uploading and downloading in WebDriver Selenium. So basically, uploading files in the WebDriver is done using the send keys function that helps us to send the path of the file to be uploaded. So as we can see here, there is a choose file and the upload button, and in the choose file path we need to give the file of the path to be uploaded. So first we need to give the path of the WebDriver in the system.set property, and then we need to find out the XPath for the field in which we need to send path for the file to be uploaded. Then send keys function is to be used along with the parameter path of the file, and click the choose file option by finding the button of the XPath and using the click function. So we can also see with the help of coding that in this first we have to write the system.set property in which we will set our web driver. For example, I have taken my Chrome driver and my path of the Chrome driver is in the D drive. Now we will first of all we will use the URL in which we will write the URL of the website at which we want to upload the file. Then we will make the instance of the Chrome driver and then go to that website. Then we will take the XPath of the button, upload button, and then we will write the send keys function to the with the path in the upload button, and then we will use the click option to press the upload button. So now we will be going to see how can we download the file in the using the WebDriver. So now downloading a file. When we want to download the file, then we generally have a solution in the mind that we can click on the download link in the download dialog box, but unfortunately the WebDriver does not allow us to click on the download link button. We need to use the wget, that is a command line program. For this we need to first set up the wget, so that we need to first make a new folder and download the wget.exe from the internet. Syntax of the wget is first of all cmd. We have to write the cmd, then /c wget -p and the folder in which we want the file to be get downloaded plus the source URL. Now we will be going to the download button and takes its locator and find the value of the href attribute in order to gain the URL. Now we will take a string and put the syntax in it. Let's say we have this to save in the D drive. So now we will take a string and write the syntax in it, and then use the process class using the get runtime function, and then the wait for function. So now we will be going to see the coding for the downloading file. First of all, as in all the cases, we have to do is that we have to set the property path for the Chrome driver, and then we have to set the URL of the website from which we want to download our content. Then we need to instantiate the instance of the Chrome driver. Then we will go to the website, and then we will take the XPath of the button or by any locator, so that we will be able to find the button. Here the up button is the download button, and then behind the download button, as we know that there is a download link, so in order to get the download link we will get the button with the get attribute, so that we will get the URL. Here the up button, instead of up button we have download button. we have download button. Now we will take a string that is wget, and in that string we need to write the cmd/c and the C drive where our wget exists, either the C drive or the D drive -p, and then the drive or the folder in which we want our downloaded content to be exist, and then the download link. Then we use a process class, the process and its object, and then runtime.getRuntime.exec, and then the string. So what it will do, basically it will take the wget link and execute the downloading process. Then we will use the wait for function as it in the int wait time, so that it will wait for the downloading to be done. So I hope you will be better understanding about the uploading and downloading by using these code. So guys, goodbye, that's it for today, and stay tuned for the other videos.